Taking a look now at division problems. So pears are sold at 3 for $2 and oranges at 5 for $3. Find the total cost of 12 pears and 15 oranges. Circle the key numbers. And circle 3 for $2 and 5 for $3. 12 pears, 15 oranges. Underline the question. Box key math section. Find the total cost. Alright, so let's start with the 12 pears. So I'm going to buy 12 pears. It's sold in lots of 3. We need to find out how many lots of 3 we would need to buy. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So we would need to buy 4 lots of pears to get 12 to get our 12 pears. Now for the orange, same thing. Buying 15 oranges. This time they come in lots of 5. Oh, I think I've gone a bit big there. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So I would need to buy 4 lots of pears and 3 lots of oranges. So now if I'm drawing that in a bar model, I might start to use some different colours. Unfortunately, do not have an orange whiteboard marker, but I'll draw the pears. I'll make them green. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I will draw the 3 packets of oranges. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we need to find the total cost. I'll quickly go through. I know I probably don't need to because you can see visually, but I'll just label the pears and the oranges. And let's remember that each pear packet or lot is sold for $2 and each orange lot is sold for $3. So 4 times 2 plus 3 times 3. And that will give us our answer. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. So to buy 12 pears and 15 oranges at those prices would cost $17. Let's have a look at another one. Alright, put that off. Okay, let's have a look. Board games being sold 3 for $10 and 4 for $25. Margaret bought 18 board games and 12 dolls to be given away as gifts. How much money did Margaret spend altogether? So let's start. 3 for 10, 4 for 25, 18, 12 dolls. Underline the question. Box. Alright. So let's, same thing here. Let's start with, so 18 board games. 18. Now the board games are being sold in lots of 3. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So Margaret would need to have bought 6 lots of the board games to be able to purchase 18 altogether. Similarly with the dolls. Dolls come in, she bought 12 dolls. The dolls came in lots of 4. Okay, so 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So would have to have bought 3 lots of the dolls. So if we do our picture, might use blue this time so it's a bit darker, it should stand out a bit better. Let's start with the blue. We'll draw 6 lots of the board games. Again, because I've color coded, I probably don't need to do this. I'm just to ensure that there is understanding of what I'm doing. Now, when I draw the dolls, they will need to be the same size roughly as 2.5, because 25 is 2.5 times bigger than 10. So that's why this is. So we do still want to, where we can, keep that, ask students to demonstrate their understanding that that is a bigger number, proportional to what you've drawn here. So the board games cost $10, and the dolls cost $25, and we need to find the total. Okay, so 6 times 10 plus 3 times 25. 6 tens are 60. 3 25s are 75. Add them together. 135. So altogether, Margaret would have paid $135 for those gifts. And if students then start to understand that concept of they don't need this step, I think encourage them to move to this step, but you do want to scaffold step by step the way that you need to think to problem solve in your head. Hopefully we get to the time where this question can be done mentally, but we need to show students how to think about the question, how to break down 3 for $10. Well, that means she has to buy 6 packets, so that's 60. If that's an automatic thought in the head, I think they're beyond this stage of bar model drawing. And I wouldn't necessarily ask them just for the sake of it, if they can demonstrate that that is their thinking.